Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So here is a big update which is coming from the Cognizant team. So in this particular video we will discuss Cognizant biggest change in internship and CSD program not mandatory for the full-time joining. So let's start this video. So first of all, you can see on my screen this type of mail you are going to receive if you are from 2023 batch and 2022 batch students. Okay, dear candidate getting from Cognizant, we have rolled out your internship offer on 11th January and this is the final reminder for you to accept the same before 15th January 6 p.m. So basically there is a few of my subscribers there who asking the question, sir, I already accepted but this is not showing and I'm getting this mail. So first of all you have to contact with the Cognizant team, and also if you are from 23 batch student then you have to contact with the college TPO for the same. Okay, because sometimes college TPO will also inform you for this thing, these updates. Okay, so let's see what are the changes. If you do not accept the internship offer, then it's stand cancel and you will be considered for certified skill development CSD program based on business requirements. Okay, you will be enrolled into a CSD program after you graduate from college and would receive further communication accordingly. Okay, बता दो friend, अगर आप if you want to join Cognizant now, then you have to accept internship because internship is also paid. Okay, I've already created a separate video on my second channel Pappu Crazy Vlog. Okay, just search on YouTube Pappu CRAZY Crazy Vlogs. This is my new channel in which I shared a lots of doubts. I solved lots of doubt and I shared few things. Okay, this is a like I also provide that particular video on my video link, also video I button. Just go and check out. In that particular video I shared all these updates about CSD and internship program, what you have to work on, what the stipend, what the duration, it's mandatory or not, what the project, what is SME evaluation, all the things you will be get solved for the particular video. Just check in my video I button, or else I will provide the video link in my video description also. Okay, just go and just check out. Okay, and also if you want to join now, I would personally recommend you to join the internship program. If your college is allowing you to do an internship, then you have to complete. Otherwise you can just wait for your completion of your graduation, and you can after that you will be lined up for the CSD program. But in my personal point of view, you have to contact with your college TPO and you have to ask the same, because most of the colleges are allowing you to student to do a internship, but few of the colleges are not allowing you to do a internship because they have because of the 8th semester exam, or you have to say that like uh, YY is there, project is there, lab is there, so that's why. But you have to complete your internship. It's a very recommended from my side, because if you're completing your internship now, there is a high probability that you are going to get a joining as soon as earlier. But because CSD totally depends on the business requirements, it's not like that they are going to give each and everyone joining on the same date and or the like earlier. No. Okay, once you complete internship, then your joining will be very near, आपके पास काफी जल्द देखने को मिलेगा. But if you're not opting the internship and you are doing and if you're waiting for the CSD, then you have to complete your degree. Then after you have to wait as per their business requirement, and it will take 1 or 2 or 3 or 7 months and 1 year also. Okay, because there are lots of students are there who are sharing experience in LinkedIn also, that I'm still waiting for my in full-time joining because I didn't opted the internship. Okay, so please these things keep in always in your mind. Okay, if the students who accepted the internship offer do not report to office on the specified onboarding date, then the letter of intent LOI shall be automatically revoked by the Cognizant after the specified onboarding date. So if you are accepting the internship offer, then you have to visit your joining location. Okay, 16 January there are lots of students are there who are going to start their internship in 16 January. So internship is basically in office. You have to visit the office also. Okay, and if you are not and if you are accepted the internship and if you are not visiting the office at the given time, then your offer letter onboarding is going to be cancelled. Okay, which one should I discuss in office? Next on one date there is a like in January to Feb. Okay, like 16 January is there, and February first week there are few of subscribers is there who are getting a internship, because my most of subscribers are going to receive the internship. Okay, that's why they are going to January and February. Most probably they are going to start the internship. Okay, only revoke onboarding if I failed, yes. Join complete, yes. Okay, so I think that's it for the video. If you're more, you can ask in comment section. Please Telegram group join हो जाना. मिलते हैं. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.